Pensioners are beginning to bear the brunt of the economic downturn, especially those who retired under state civil service. Benue and Ogun State top the list. Pensioners from 23 local council areas of Benue State are demanding to be included in the data capturing exercise so they can partake in the monthly pension scheme.
During your government, that's the tenure of your government, 62 retirees have died.
Governor said he was hearing the program for the first time and he heard it just 6 weeks back, and that he will look for all the resources, all the avenue from every corner and nook to pay us.
Then the Deputy Governor of the state, Mr. Benue, gives them a cheery news.
The governor has directed that whoever is your chairman should join the team, the government team, that will make sure that in the shortest possible time, you people will be placed on pension.
Very careful. We are not doing the right thing. Don't you know we are coming to our end tomorrow?
In the southwest, retirees from 20 local government areas of Ogun State have registered their presence at the office of the Commissioner for Finance to demand for their 2-month entitlement.
Before, we have been taking our pension between 15th and 18th because we had 1 month pension advance being rolled over for years. We are asking for both May and June pensions because within the last 60 days, I'm saying it on honor, more than 60 pensioners had died avoidable deaths because they had nothing to buy drugs, they could not feed well.
They were then invited for a closed-door meeting, after which he expressed regret about their situation.
The salaries they were talking about, as at yesterday, we've paid, and the funds are already transferred to all the banks to pay them.
The pensioners say for as long as they have life, hope keeps them going, and they are hopeful that their arrears will be paid as soon as possible.